So starting the test drive in the C43, certainly no slouch, even with the V6 engine. It's no C43, but this thing is pretty quick. And I'm gonna give it some power coming out of this corner here. Love the sound. And very linear power curve. It doesn't feel like it's getting away from me or anything, but it feels very nice, very natural. But we'll give it some throttle here as well. Love the sound, gosh. And what's crazy is it doesn't feel like you're really going that fast, but this thing is scooting, it really is. So I'm shifting like 2 or 3 gears and I'm already at the speed limit getting on the interstate. It's fantastic. Now with this being a more sport tuned vehicle, I have the sport suspension on now, but if I take it off and go into the comfort mode, it really mellows out. I can still feel the road in the steering wheel, but other than that, in comfort mode, it's pretty spectacular. Now I wish I could pull up the fuel economy numbers. I wasn't expecting to do that, but so there it's showing me right there. I'm getting about 35 miles per gallon. And then it's starting to max out as I hit the brake, just because I'm coasting here. But I'm averaging 6 miles per gallon right now, but I was sitting probably for about 20 minutes with the car just idling. So pretty impressive, especially after giving it 2 pedal down throttles all the way down. So I mean, very impressive. And just an overall fun car to drive. I'm gonna put in a manual mode. Very responsive. And it's very, very quick while also listening exactly when I tell it to shift. Again, it doesn't necessarily feel as fast. Of course, with this having an all-wheel drive system, you're not getting a pull from either the front end or the back end, but it's just, that speedometer, the numbers are just ticking up so fast. So very impressed there. But I'm gonna put it into the comfort mode, and we're just gonna have that more balanced exhaust sound. The suspension's gonna be a little less stiff. Now it doesn't all of a sudden turn into S-Class mode, but it's a lot less stiff than when you're in Sport Plus. But overall, I like what you get with this package. I would have a few more options. I wish I had cooled seats. I love having the Burmester sound system though. One of the better, probably one of the best sound systems out there, honestly. And then I would probably want the navigation, but I wouldn't need it. But honestly, what makes the C43 such a great option, in my opinion, is if you don't want to get the C63 twin turbo V8 and be burning all that gas, and you don't necessarily need to have insane power, this is a good option where you're quick, extremely quick. But sitting here like idling, or I should say cruising here, I'm getting 30 miles per gallon. So just an impressive, I guess, kind of mid-range vehicle. I'm gonna take it out of manual mode now. And this is really where it shines, is having the 9-speed automatic, specifically on the highway. You can have the engine pretty much at its starting point, like almost at an idle. That's how low you can have the revs, and then you could be maximizing your fuel efficiency as well. But definitely love the car from a performance aspect, the looks, and it's just a super fun car to drive. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2023 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG Coupe.